Retail businesses sell their products and services directly to customers without the involvement of an intermediary. The customers are the end users of the product or service sold by the retailers. The retail business can be operated in all possible forms, such as proprietorship, partnership, LLP, or a private limited company. Although, for single brand retails, FDI is permitted, however, there are restrictions on foreign investment in India for the multi-brand retail. According to Statista, the Indian retail market is the third largest in the world, next only to the US and China. In the financial year 2020 to 2021, its total market size stood approximately at $882 billion and accounted for 10% of India's total GDP. The industry employs over 350 million employees in India that sell their products and services directly to million, which is 8% of India's total workforce. According to the Retailers Association of India, after recording over 90% pre-COVID sales, the growth rate of the Indian retail industry plunged during the pandemic. Its speedy recovery followed this in the financial year 2021 to 2022. Despite an overall decline in the retail sector, India's e-retail sector saw record sales growth in the pandemic, with the third largest customer base globally. Types of retail businesses in India. The Indian retail industry is largely unorganized, with only about 12% operating in the organized sector. These businesses can be classified into the following categories based on their products, mode, and site of operation. Merchandise and service retail, store and non-store retail, online and offline retail. Retail businesses can either sell merchandise products or service products directly to their customers and clients. Merchandise businesses carry out large-scale sales and operations for a huge customer base and usually earn large revenues. Contrarily, retail services have a smaller customer base, limited scope of operations, and a negligible scope for earning revenues. While merchandise retail businesses may or may not need a store, inventory, to operate from, retail service businesses are mostly non-store based. Examples of store-based merchandise retail include departmental stores, specialty stores, art and craft stores, discount stores, and warehouse, whereas non-store based merchandise retail includes e-commerce sites, sellers of products on social media, street vendors, and teleshopping businesses. A few prominent and profitable retail businesses in India include FMCG, groceries and other perishables, apparel, footwear, and consumer electronics. They account for almost 65% of India's retail industry. The process for setting up a retail business in India can be quick and easy, especially if you have the necessary knowledge and professional experience in the field. Setindiabiz will be honored to help your business with all the necessary legal formalities and compliance for setting up your retail business in India. Just call us at 9899600605 or visit our website www.setindiabiz.com.